YouTube? It's your girl Goddie Beauty. My name is Goddie. For those of you who do not know, which it's probably all of you don't know. Because anywho, let's go ahead and get right into this video. So today I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I like it. It's like ASMR. You see it? You see it? Yes. Like, this is everything. I like to go in with the eye pencil kind of thing, brush. I don't know what brush this is. But it's like a crease brush, kind of like you set the crease in there. And you kind of just rub it through. You kind of get to the arc. Yeah, we're gonna blend that out later. I just want to get it in there so I have it stuck there. So when I make my crease, you can tell like it's cut, you know? Okay. And then I'm going to blend it out real quick with this big brush, right? Because that's just gonna get it all over and make sure that it's kind of matching my skin tone. Not looking all crazy around the sides and the edges. We have to make sure, look, you have to make sure we brush out in circles. It's kind of like brushing your teeth, except this is, we're gonna go right over where it's at, where it's been placed. Dab one good time, pat, 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 okay? And then swipe, 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 swipe. But it's a light swipe. You're not rubbing it like, like you're like, oh, I just want to gently touch you like it's your crush. You want to be gentle, not too aggressive, not too like the 4th month of the dating, you know? So just swipe it like it's your crushy period. Yes, yes. All right, so I'm just going to go lightly going like that. You see that? Lightly. And then we're going to go blend that out. Boom, boom, boom. Now it looks a little more extravagant. Y'all see what I mean? This is what happens when you have a perfectly blended out crease. At least me. And the way I do it, because this looks great, baby. This looks great, okay? I'm telling you, this is fire. And y'all notice how bomb I did my nose contour? Like, I don't know if y'all see it, but it's like, I've been working on it. I ain't perfect, but I'm working on it. I know I have like a cool, pretty cool nose, but it's much better. All right, so, now that's perfectly blended out. Look at that, ladies. Look, oh, yummy. So now we're gonna go in with a little Q-tip, some alcohol to clean up the makeup here in this area, just so that when we put our concealer on there, we'll be able to have a clean area to put the makeup on, so it won't lift and it won't look crazy and nasty. So I'm just gonna go in and just clean that area up real quick. Well, I'm gonna conceal to add the other color. See that? It just carves out that crease. It looks super yummy. So good, yummy, delicious. Just want to eat it for dinner. You see that, guys? I know you see it. 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 So just clean that and see how the concealer's gonna go. I'm not having any problems. Ow! I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing it for y'all. You feel me? For you. For you. Alright, sorry if I keep looking at the camera while I'm doing this. I'm just scared it's gonna stop recording. Like, it's done that before and I don't want to make it into a whole bunch of different videos connecting and then have issues uploading later. You see that? And carve out more right there. Okay. It's a little difficult for me right now, okay, y'all? Just bear with me. It's gonna come out great. My eyes just move a lot. They get nervous. From the water. I'll clean it up anyway. Make it more later. Yeet. Hey, yeet. That's right. Clean it up. Let's get it, let's go, ladies. Okay, see, we're just gonna go ahead and pat, pat, pat. You see, it's like all the darkness is in the corner. I don't know why Siri just cut on and just interrupted me like that. That was super rude. But I'm just gonna blend all of that color out, and all the darkness is in the corner of it, and then all the lightness is getting to the front once you like scrape and pat what's left on the brush. So just drag me at this point so it can blend into the color I'm gonna add in my corner eye. Like this, I'm just gonna plate it. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit up here on the arch. So by the time it's done, it's blended out with the colors we added earlier. And then also when we add our highlight on there, on that corner, that upper brow area, later at the end, it's going to truly be beautiful color. It's gonna be like a golden pink, you know? And we're gonna go ahead and dip back into Dance Party because we need a little bit more. We need to make sure it lasts all day, you know? I'm a last all day kind of girl. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is just gonna go right over that arch a little bit into that. It's kind of making it look like a natural blended out base. So when we add the color, it's gonna go everywhere. We're putting this one, not gonna see it like the eyeshadow base. Okay, boom. I'm gonna go and take another brush. These are my favorite to pat in a good powder. Especially when the powders are stubborn and you have a lot of fallout. This is the Morphe M166 brush. And this is the one that has that brown tip. See, there's another one. This is M224, right? This is good for a lot of bright colors or whatever, but it has like a, I think there's makeup on it. Let me try to show you a clean one. Like this one's more clean. So it's like a yellowish orangish color, right? Whereas we have this guy who is more brown. This guy who's more brown, which is the M166, is perfect. It is perfect. Now I want to go on one of these pages. Let me see, because it's gonna look super yummy once I put like some eyeliner on later. Go around, pat around, and it's super easy for the makeup to catch on everywhere you wanted it to go because you've already set it with that base. You see how good that looks? Yes. This looks so good. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. Then, kind of done. I'm just gonna add a little bit of more of that Dance Party back in that corner, just to, you know, I think I've done this look before. I have pictures of like the same look. Didn't realize I was repeating. We're gonna take that and put it right in the middle where those two connect to give them a transition color to each other. Like, how did you go from beige to super like hot pink Dance Party, you know? Nah, we're gonna throw in Tipsy Girl. The Tipsy Girl, gonna make sure everybody have a good time together. And there they go, like a family. That's right, that's right. Now that is magnificence. What I'm gonna do is get that big brush and clean around the eye with that beige and this G Money and left handles, mix them together. And just good reason to be each other. Oh yes, baby. Yes, baby. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my eyeliner. And this is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Should I put a little shimmer in there? Let's see what the shimmer looks like. Let me see what it do. I'm just gonna add it on there by itself and see what happens. This is Get Ready With Me from the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I'm just gonna add it to the front and drag it across the crease the lid. You usually don't need to put anything else on it and add it to make it stick. Shimmers and like pressed glitters usually can go on great by themselves. But if you're looking for an all-day wear type of glitter glue, I definitely use the NYX glitter primer right here. It's, can you guys even read it? It's just so shiny, but whatever. It's glitter primer, NYX, okay. It's holographic color case, whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back in and Get Ready With Me. Drag it in again, okay. Just put a little bit more in there. Just wanted to pop right in the beginning and then transition into those beautiful colors that it blended to. And I'm gonna add Rider Diamonds from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to give a little zhuzh. Especially even if you're doing the simplest look, you can do simple things like this and it looks super expensive after you put the eyelashes on, obviously. But you know, like you can look like $1 million. You can look like $1 million just doing small things to your makeup, like even keeping your eyebrows smaller, lashes small, all of that helps. Let me just go over it and make it very good. Okay, that's better. Here's like that. Cool. Then I'm going to go into this cream contour little mini kit I have. So I'm going to lay like this like brown here on top. It's like natural brown. Put it underneath my under eye so that there's a sticky natural base under here that will add the color that pops right underneath. And then let me go ahead and add that beige color a little bit right at the beginning, just to match the top. Gotta make sure the under eye's done, boo. You know, see that? Blend right into each other. Oh my god. I'm not really good at this part, but I'm getting used to it. I'm still doing my research on it. I watch YouTube too, y'all. I got favorites. Jaclyn, Aaliyah J. All right, y'all. I'm back. I was really interrupted by Apple. This happens when you try to throw shade at people. Happens to me all the time. I throw it all the time. I'm just gonna finish this bottom piece and then I'm gonna show you the finished look once I do this side, and then I'll add the lashes. So when I come back after doing this little guy, boom, boom, boom. When I come back after this, you'll see my entire finished, beautiful look. I'm gonna add mascara down there. You really don't need to see that. You add mascara how you want to, but some fringes, eyelashes, and things. Let me add a little bit more of that. Love handles. And I'll be back. Yes, yes. Babe, makeup really ain't that hard when you keep doing it. Getting used to it, guys. Like, don't overwhelm yourselves. Do what you can. Like, if you have to pause every moment to know what you're doing, do that. I did it. And if it's too much, then maybe I'm just not the teacher for you, you know? Sometimes it's about what the student needs, and sometimes the teacher's not right for the student, you know? That's okay. You can always find someone else that can teach you what you need to know with the kind of face or skin tone that you have, even though I don't feel like it's really a difference. Like, as long as you know your skin tone and everything, you should be able to follow along with all the things. It's just different colors. But yeah, get it right there. Make sure it's not like dry and crusty looking later on in the day. Yes, honey, you guys, okay? Girl, you working yourself. You hurting yourself. Work with no pay, baby, no pay. Do that. All right, so now that I am all highlighted, okay? We are highlighted, honey. Like, can't nobody tell us nothing, all right? Whoever followed along to this, please hashtag my hashtag on Instagram. You know, I'll be putting my Instagram somewhere on this. But yes, like, I have a hashtag Goddie and hashtag Goddie Beauty. If you copy any of these looks, I have to see it. And I will like and comment on them. Like, I will. Like, I promise. Like, I really want to see people like try to do what I be doing. Like, am I that tight? Am I? I don't think so, but people copy me all the time, just act like it's their idea. But I want to see people give me my props. Let me see what you're doing so I can give you yours too, because you putting that work. Okay, let me go ahead and close this up. I'm done with that, and let me go ahead and set one more. Oh wait, I gotta put the beauty mark on there. Where's my eyeliner at? See, I use my eyeliner for the beauty mark, so I gotta try to find the ones that show after I'm done with makeup. I have a lot of freckles and beauty marks, moles, whatever you want to call them, all over my face. I have a mixture of all, and I'm trying to find the ones that I'm usually putting the color on, because I can't really see them like that unless I got all these layers on my face. I swear to God, moles make everything, okay? Like, you got a mole, you a bad bitch. Like, what's life without a beauty mark? Or 7 or 10, you know? These angels out here be kissing. That's what my mom called angel kisses. Angel kisses. An angel kissed you all over as a baby and they sent you down to your mommy. And you came out all these beautiful marks from all the kisses. It's like lipstick kisses, but they leave beauty marks on your face that enhance your features. I believe in it. Let me live. Let me live. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you so much for joining me in my eyeshadow tutorial in this hot princess pink look. Looking like bougie money, baby. Bougie money. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Follow me on Instagram at Goddie Beauty. You can also follow me on Snapchat at Goddie. And you can even, you know what I'm saying, hashtag my lurks by hashtagging Goddie or hashtag Goddie Beauty on Instagram. You can also follow me on TikTok at Goddie Beauty, okay? I'll be leaving all that on my page, so it don't even matter. I just have to say it, because that's what everybody else be saying in their videos, and I feel like I should. Because what if y'all don't read nothing, you know? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, go ahead and do that. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, okay? Show love in any way you can. All right, I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.